Yesterday, while I was walking my dogs, I collected leaves and sticks so I could make a fall craft.
On the second part of the series, I showed you how to make this stick-framed leaf rubbings, and today I'm going to show you how to make these super adorable pinecone turkeys. The supplies you'll need for this craft are pinecone, paper with different colors, googly eyes, glue, and scissors. So I'm going to start by drawing the outline of my turkey's head and front body. And I do that by doing almost a circle at the top for a head and then 2 lines curved down for the body. So I'm going to cut that out. Now I'm going to draw the wattle in red, just a little squiggly shape, and the beak in orange, and that's just a triangle. And then I'll cut those out too. I'm going to glue the wattle down first, right there where the head and the body meet, I guess where the neck of the turkey is. And then I'm going to glue the beak on top of that. Then I'm going to add googly eyes right on top of the beak. If you don't have googly eyes, you can always use a piece of paper cut out in a circle with a little marker on top. Now I am going to cut out the feathers. I have 3 pieces of paper stacked on top of each other, yellow, orange, and red. So I'm going to try to cut all 3 of these papers at once in this kind of oval shape that is straight at the bottom. It helps a little bit if it's a little bit straighter at the bottom, so I'm cutting it on the edge. That'll just stay inside of the pinecone better. Now I'm just basically pouring a bunch of glue inside the back of the pinecone, the larger end of the pinecone. And make sure wherever you're working is a space where it's okay to get a little bit messy, or you might want to put a paper plate or something under it, although it might get stuck to it because it is glue. So I'm putting this big pile of glue inside the back of the pinecone, and then I'm just going to stick all of those feathers I cut out into the back and arrange them how I think they look nice. When I'm done doing this part, I like to let it dry for about an hour. So now I'm going to add a bunch of glue to the top of the pinecone, and then I'm going to flip over the body of my turkey, so my turkey's kind of looking at the table, and I'm going to put the pinecone on top of it, and you're going to have to prop it up and let it dry like this for at least another hour. And in the end, you'll have this cute little turkey.
Come back and make some more crafts with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us get out to more people if you just press that subscribe button. I hope you're having a wonderful fall day. See you next time.